have here order. It was $9.95 for shipping and handling, and if I keep it for 35 days and I'm happy with it, it's going to be an additional $79.95 on the card that I charged. It's not a bill, this is just the order, and it has the relevant information. And here, this looks like to be the actual product, ZQuiet. Distributed by Sleeping Well LLC. Use as directed. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Here's the nice blue case and instructions manual. Okay, interesting. Let's pop it open. Oop. Okay, slip that in my hand. I have here these two mads, and what's unique about them is that, well, most strikingly is that there's no boil up process. Many mads require you to boil up hot water, drop it in, mold it to your teeth or to the shape of your mouth. These don't work that way. You simply pop them in your mouth, you go to sleep. Very large, big ear hole in the middle, which is obviously great because there'll be no problem with breathing. There are other pieces that are pretty much one piece of plastic with two small holes or a small hole in the middle. This one is large and open, so that's great. For the first time you order, you get two of them. One of them says on it, here, there's number 1 written on the upper tray. This is the upper tray, which your upper teeth bite down onto. This is the lower tray, which rests on your lower teeth. So here it has number 1, this is number 2. They're both slightly different because of people's just shapes of mouth and size. So it's not majorly different, but they're not exactly the same size. So what they suggest is to start with number 1, wear it, and see if it stops snoring. If it does, you stick with that one. If not, you move on to number 2. And once you're happy with one, then going forward, you're going to order that size. So there's not that much. It's a very simple piece. The pricing is pretty typical for a mat, although you are paying quite a bit for a little piece of plastic, but that's how it works. Instructions are very, very simple. You start with Comfort 1. You wear it, they say, for 3 nights, and you see as it goes. They do suggest to run it under warm water for about a minute before using it, so that it softens up. They suggest wearing it for 20 or 30 minutes before going to sleep, just so that you get used to it. And they have some suggestions about if the next morning you have any jaw soreness, exactly how to get rid of that pain. Other than that, it's pretty much it. I have 30 days from when it arrives, which is pretty much 35 days, to try it and see if I like it. If not, I can always return it. So I'm going to test it out, both of them, for the next few days, and we'll report back.